National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Warren County, northwestern Greene County, Montgomery County, until 4:45 p.m. And for 19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over West Carrollton, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Springboro, Vandalia, Englewood, Franklin, Bellbrook, Moraine, Carlisle, Oakwood, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, West Carrollton, Riverside, Clayton, and Germantown. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 29 and 41. I-75 in Ohio between mile markers 38 and 64. You're listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIH 42, Covington, Kentucky, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. Interrupting our regular business and severe weather is affecting our listening area.